Dangote still dey find money o. Who I be wey make me no go find money? Yeah, I know you're probably wondering what the heck. Well, calm down, let me explain. So what's up, beautiful people? And in today's video I brought a sharp update for you guys, a sharp update that is going to make every single one of us get a very big block in this update. So what updates am I trying to say, or what update am I talking about? Guys, Dangote is asking us to borrow him money. Yes, Dangote is practically asking us to borrow him money, so that in return he is going to not only give us back the money we borrowed him, and he's also going to give us interest for us to borrow him money. Now, how cool is that? So the question that I have for you and I is that, when is our business going to get to the level that we can be able to ask citizens of Nigeria to borrow us money, or ask individuals to borrow us money, and we are going to pay them back the money they borrow us and also pay them interest? And these individuals are going to be willing, they are going to be eager, begging us to take their money. When is our business going to get to that level? Dangote is not just asking us to borrow him money so that in return he's going to give us the money back and also pay us interest for borrowing him money. He's also telling us, you see this money that I want you to borrow me, I am giving you just 4 days to give me this money. He's not just giving us 4 days, he's still telling us, you see this money that I'm asking you to borrow me, if you want to borrow me this money, this is the minimum amount I'm expecting from you. So I'm not asking you to give me 10 naira or 5 naira or 100,000. This is the minimum amount I want you to give me if you think you want to borrow me money. So when is our business going to get to that level? So relax, guys. In today's video, I'm going to take us step by step who this investment is for, how you can get started, and the interest rates you are going to be getting. So in case if you are wondering if this is legal, like Dangote asking us to borrow him money so that he give us interest and the rest of them, then yes, it is legal, and it is called commercial paper. And I know you might be wondering, wetin be commercial paper again? Well, calm down, let me explain. So commercial paper simply means corporate companies asking individuals to borrow their money, so that in return they are going to pay us back the money we gave them and also pay us interest for borrowing them money. As simple as that. That is what commercial paper is, and in short it is called CP. So it is legal. Okay, so I am going to take us through how you can get started, the minimum amount you can use, who can be able to do this, and the interest rate you are going to be getting. But before going into that, I want you to do something for me. I'm not asking you to pay me for this update. Yes, I'm not asking you to pay me any money for this update. The only thing I'm asking you to do for me is to go ahead and click the like button of this video. Yes, just only that. Click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video. And I personally want you to do what? Join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and scatter the subscription button, but please, after smashing that subscription button, I beg, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button, because what the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. So I believe you've liked the video, and I believe you've joined the family by subscribing to the channel. Then let's get into it. So first thing first, you have to get started. To get started, you need to meet your broker, right? Yeah, so you meet your broker. You can make use of AfriInvestor 2.0. You can make use of Cowrywise. You can make use of Zcrest. Yes, so for me to say you can make use of AfriInvestor 2.0, Cowrywise, and Zcrest, that means you can actually get started with this with just your smartphone and internet access. Okay, so I am going to move over to the screen of my phone to show you the platform I'm going to be making use of, right? So I'm going to also show you how to get started with that particular platform, right? Yes, the registration aspect of the particular platform, and then proceed to show us how to get started, proceed to show us the minimum amount you can be able to invest in this or borrow Dangote. Okay, yes, the minimum amount you can be able to borrow, and then the interest rates you are going to be getting, and the duration it is going to stay before you can be able to cash out. So if I've gotten to this point, click the like button. If you're yet to join this family, click the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. So join me to the screen of my phone Let me take you there. Keep winning, guys. So just like I said, to get started, you can visit your broker, right? You can make use of AfriVesto 2.0, you can make use of Cowrywise, you can make use of Zcrest Wealth, right? So in today's video, I am just going to make use of Zcrest just for the sake of this video. Now, to get started with Zcrest Wealth, you can visit your Google Play Store, you can visit your App Store, or you can decide to click the link I'm going to be leaving in the video description or in the comment section. So once you click on the link, this is the interface you're going to see. So you just have to go ahead to start with the registration. Do where to click over, do where to type your first name here, do where to also type your last name here, type in a functional email address, yes, and then go ahead and type in your phone number. Okay, yes. So once you are done, just go ahead and put the referral code. I'm going to leave it on the screen so you see it. After that, proceed to click on continue, and then the registration is very simple to get done, right? So once you are done with the registration and you have logged in, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, so since we are talking about commercial paper, right, we just have to go ahead and click over here that says invest. Okay, so click on invest, and we are going to see three different ways you can invest your money in Zcrest Wealth. We have high yield, we have a mutual fund, we have a fixed income. The high yield is a tenured investment in naira and dollar, and the mutual fund is a short-term investment in naira and dollar also. Then when it comes to fixed income, is short to long-term investment with as low as 100,000 naira. So you can get started with this particular fixed income with as low as 100,000. So let's get started. So we're going to click on this one that says fixed income, because that is where we are going to be getting the commercial paper. That is where we are going to find Dangote and borrow Dangote money, so that Dangote can pay us back our money and give us interest. So once you click on the fixed income, we're going to see two different investments under the fixed income. We have the treasury bill, and of course we have the commercial paper. So you might be asking the difference between the treasury bill and the commercial papers. Well, the treasury bill is just a government-backed short-term investment. So this is, the treasury bill is just like a government asking the citizens to borrow them money, so that in turn they are going to give them back the money that they gave them, all right, and also give them interest. Yes, the government that is ruling you now, you can as well borrow them money, and they're going to pay you back the money and give you interest, right? Why commercial paper? This one is no longer the government asking you to borrow them money, but this one is now corporate companies, okay, big companies like MTN, Dangote, Cement, Sugar, right, asking you to borrow them money so that they can use it for business, and then in turn they are going to give you back the money you borrowed them and also pay you interest. So that's just the difference between treasury bill and commercial paper. Treasury bill is government asking you to borrow them money. Commercial paper is corporate companies asking you to borrow them money. So that's just this difference. So we just have to go ahead and click on the commercial paper, because that is where Dangote is hiding. That is where we are going to see Dangote and give him our money. So let's proceed, guys. So click on commercial paper. So this is just like a breakdown of the commercial paper, but we just need to know about the commercial paper. So they are defining what commercial paper means. So they say commercial papers are short-term debt instruments issued by corporations to raise capital with maturity of less than 270 days. Okay, yeah, so we have a capital appreciation, we have a tenors ranging to 90 days to 270 days. Then the interest ranges from 15% to 19.95% per annum, right? Yes, so the held to till maturity, of course. So interest will be subjected to 10% withholding tax. Yes, so if they are going to give you back your money or the interest, of course they are going to charge you for the interest they're going to give you, which is, it's usually called 10% withholding tax. Okay, so if you are investing due to the incoming tax that is going to start from 2026, right? So any investment you are going to be doing, let's say treasury bill, commercial paper, so if you are getting your profits, you have already been taxed for the profit you are going to be getting. Okay, yes, so if you get the money, the government is not going to still tax you again when the money hits your bank, because you've already been taxed. when you are getting the money. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just let me in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. I will explain better. I wouldn't want this video to take time. So let's proceed. Since we've seen the brief or the explanation of what commercial paper means, let's go ahead and click over here that says get started. Dangote zone has finished too. But I saw this morning. Let's move out to AfriInvestor 2.0. Hopefully their own is still going to be running. Okay, so let's go there, guys. So this is AfriInvestor 2.0, and of course just make use of the steps I've shown you or to get registered. All right, just visit the Google Play Store or App Store. It's not hard to get registered. So after that, when you've logged in, this is the interface you're going to see. Then what we're going to do is to click over here. We have stocks here, we have commercial papers here. We're seeing two offers here. Hopefully Dangote zone is still or going to be amongst the two offers. So let's click on the commercial paper. Okay, we have a treasury bill. There is no treasury bill ongoing now, so we have to click over here that says commercial paper. So this is commercial paper. Let's click over there. Commercial. Oh man, we have two running in commercial paper. The first one is 270 days, the second one is 364 days, and Dangote is not here. I'm so sorry, guys, and that's the reason why I recommend you join our community group, because we've already made mention of these updates earlier on before even making video talking about them. And that's the most important thing of joining our community, so you can be able to be amongst the first people that is going to get updates whenever it comes out. The Dangote commercial paper, or for Dangote to start asking citizens or individuals to borrow the money, it started on 13th and it lasted for 4 days. It was supposed to end today. I checked the Z Crest in the morning, right? As at the time I'm making this video, it's still morning, still around 10 a.m. so I checked it and I saw it still there. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and make the video. But now it is no longer there. So join the community group. I'm going to be leaving the WhatsApp community group link in the video description as well as the comment section, so you can as well join. So any update ideas that comes out, you will get it firsthand before we even making video, posting it on YouTube for you to see it, right? But the Dangote commercial paper, it has two series 15 and series 16. Yes, series 15 and series 16. So this series 15 is going to last for 180 days or 181 days. Then the series 16 is around 271 or 270 days. Okay, so the minimum amount you can be able to invest is 5 million. So you that is watching this video, you are going to know if you will be able to invest in the Dangote's commercial paper. All right, because the minimum is 5 million. You can do more than 5 million, but minimum you can be able to invest is 5 million. Of course, you've known that you can make use of phone to get started. The interest rate for the series 15 is around 18%. Then the interest rate for the series 20 is, let's say, around, I'm not sure, but I'm going to verify, it's close around, let's say 19 or probably 20% or so, if I'm correct, right? So if you have gotten to this point, guys, I'm really sorry. Just click the like button in appreciation of the value you even got in this video. Yes, please. And then if you're here to join this beautiful family, please do have to click on that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. So please join the community group. I wouldn't want you to miss any updates like this. It is paining me that you that is watching this video most probably has lost the updates. Okay, so please join the community group so that you will be updated anytime as soon as any update gets out, so you can jump into it and benefit for yourself. All right, cheers, guys. Hey there, I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video, and I really want to appreciate. I really decided to shoot this ending part of the video just so I can be able to appreciate you where you are doing well, and I like what you are doing for your finance. You really want to do something about your finance. The month is, let me say, roughly 3 months. It's not up to 3 months, 2 months and some days or some weeks to end. And do you know what? You can be able to achieve a whole lot before this month gets to the end. Okay, you are in the right track. What I want you to do is to click on this video you are seeing on the screen right now, because I personally created this video for you. Yes, you would love it. So click on the video and I'm going to show you how your money can be able to make more money for you, or how you can be able to make more money for yourself, or how you can be able to even make money without bringing any 2 persons that will bring 2 persons that will end up bringing extra 2 persons before you can be able to make money. All right, so if you're interested, click on the video and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning as always. Yes, keep winning, and know that I am rooting for you. Okay, until when I'm going to see you on the other video. Bye for now.